Okay, I said I would just go quickly over how to type in those really large numbers. Sometimes they're going to be really small numbers into your calculator. So, for instance, in some of that work that we were looking at in earlier videos, we were multiplying numbers together that were quite large. Like I might say, how many hydrogen atoms are in 2.5 moles of hydrogen? So we would end up having to take 2.5 moles. I'm not going to write out the whole formula and everything, but we'd end up taking 2.5 moles times the number of particles that are in a mole, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, like that. And so if you went to your calculator and you typed in these numbers, you'd go 2.5 times 6.02 times 10, and then we'd have to go to the power y to the x 23 equals, we get the number 1.505. The e means times 10 to the 24th. Okay. Now, the other way we could type that in is there's a calculator button that does this all for you. And if you go and look on your calculator, you'll find this little button that says EE or EXP. And that button lets us do these really big numbers in a better way. So if we go clear that, 2.5 times 6.02, and instead of going times 10, we hit the EE button, which makes the times 10 in the calculator for us. And then we type, some calculators will show that, a little times 10. Other ones, just you hit EE, and then you type in your number. And the number on top of the 10 is 23. And then we say equals. And we get 1.505 times 10 to the 24th. Okay? So this EE button is really the preferred way of entering in these really large numbers. And then it gives you back the same format. So this is 1.505 times 10 to the 24th. Right? So that's really the easiest way to enter in what are called scientific notation numbers. And if you have trouble, just send me a pic of your calculator and I'll look at the buttons and tell you what buttons to push. But I really want to see you using this method when you enter things into your calculator. Okay? So again, it's just you type in the number 6.02, times 10, you hit the EE button. Sometimes something will show, other times it doesn't. Depends on your calculator. Then you type in the exponent on the 10, 23. And if we hit equals, it just puts it into the calculator format to show you that 6.02, the E stands for times 10 to the 23rd. Okay? So if you have some more questions about that, let me know. Or if you need to, send me a pic of your calculator screen and I'll try and find the button that you need to find. But hopefully that helps.